Prime Minister Narendra Modi told state chief ministers yesterday that the next 3 to 4 weeks are crucial in the fight against SARS-CoV-2, which causes COVID-19, and asked them to redouble efforts to crack down on the pandemic and assured them of all possible helps from the center. Normal life in Manipur was affected due to the 15-hour statewide general strike called by militant group KCP-MC Progressive against the candidature of titular King Laisemba Jauba for the upcoming Rajya Sabha election. The strike, which began from 6 a.m., ends at 8 p.m. tonight. All Imam markets in Manipur, including Khairamban in Imphal City, were deserted look today. In view of the global coronavirus outbreak, including India, the Manipur government yesterday issued an order that all Imam markets in Manipur shall remain closed for 5 days from midnight of March 21 till midnight of March 25. Deputy Commissioner of Technopole District ordered to shut all markets in the district, including Moray Market, with immediate effect for 5 days till March 25 to avoid mass gathering. Following the order, Moray police carried out wide publicity using loudspeakers from early morning. A Jawan of 44 Assam Rifles was injured this morning in a reported encounter with heavily armed militants suspected to be NSC and IM at a place which is about 22 km north of Tausem subdivision in Technopole district. The injured Jawan was identified as Pankaj Kumar. He was taken to Laimakong Army Hospital for treatment according to a police report. The Traffic Control Police Chuchanpur, under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Amrita Sinha, today handed over 28 seized foreign-made Kenbo bike to the Custom Prevention Force Imphal Division. The Chuchanpur District TCP unit has been launching a drive against smuggled Kenbo bikes in the town since January 2020. Kenbo bikes are often smuggled into Chuchanpur town from Myanmar. The Lions Club of Moirang, Lions Club International District 322D, has conferred the Noble Lady of Manipur Award on Manipuri singer Takhelamba Mandakini Devi. Mandakini is from Ningthaukong, Ward No. 6 in Bishnupur District. After receiving reports that edible items were being smuggled into Moray from Myanmar, a combined team of Technopole District Police, civil officers and 43 Assam Rifles inspected Indo-Myanmar border yesterday. Manipur government has sealed border with Myanmar in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. A team of Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur Icham visited Chasad village in Kamjong district and extended monetary help of rupees 4 lakh and 50 bags of rice to the victims. The center is all set to postpone the house listing census and updating of the National Population Register, which was scheduled to kick off in certain states on April 1, owing to the COVID-19 pandemic. A senior official of the Tokyo 2020 Olympics Organizing Committee today said it is not at the stage of deciding whether or not to postpone or cancel the event. According to media reports, the committee member was responding to a request from Norway's Olympic Committee not to host the event until the coronavirus spread is under control.